Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a great Survivor. This is a 1972 Cutlass showing 19,000 believed to be original miles. This car is just original as can be.
What a sweetheart.
Yeah, it is.
You know what? I really like that bright yellow paint as well.
Yeah, it's beautiful paint, but the best part, in my opinion, is that 100% original and pristine interior. Odometer shows 19,000 miles, and according to the interior, the rust-free undercarriage.
Definitely original paint in the jams.
Original paint in the jams.
One repaint, it looks like, huh? Or what?
That's what.
Possible.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe original.
Maybe original paint, maybe one repaint, but just a very original, good car. Got the Oldsmobile 350 Rocket underneath the hood, power brakes, power steering. Was a factory air car, the belt's not on it anymore, but it looks like most stuff is there for it.
It is numbers matching motor too.
Nice.
Numbers matching motor, all original under here. Would have had the
Matte.
factory matte, but I think we took it off. It was just drooping a little bit. Yeah, really clean. Power steering, brakes. Super nice car.
It is, but the ride and drive, the interior, I mean, it's just hard to find something with, you know, in this original condition, regardless of the miles. But again, 19,000 on the odometer.
19 or 119. You know, you be the judge. You know, there's no way to prove it, but the inside is so pristine.
And the
underside.
Yeah.
Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. It has the original After J power wash and stuff. It's all original paint under there. They're super clean.
This thing was sold new in Walla Walla, Washington. Didn't even know that existed, but that's what the...
What was the town name?
Walla Walla, Washington. That's where she sold new.
If you're watching this video and you live in that town, you get a prize. Okay?
Yep. Don't know what it is yet, but comment if you're from Walla Walla.
Does that BFG raised white letter tires? I'm sorry, BFG tires, not raised white letters. I never did look and see if they were raised whites inside. Tiny little bit of surface rust right there above the rocker molding. A couple of rock chips and stuff like that down here that have been touched up. Bottom of the door fits great. Same thing here, just rock chips, guys. It's got just a few little rock chips around the quarter panel right here, and it shows bare metal right underneath. Same thing here, some little chips. Again, bare metal right there, guys. Just a little surface rust, okay? That was to make that perfect, you could, you know, sand it and repaint that little back spot. What a clean Survivor.
Really straight. I'll pop the trunk for you too.
Yeah, do that. Back bumper's original. It's got a couple little scuffs there. Trunk lid. Before you pop it, I just want to show them how nice this chrome lines up all the way along this trunk lid.
Looks to me, you probably already said it, but it looks to me like the bumper's original too, and that's very, very clean.
Yeah, it is. It's got a few scuffs, but that's it. Vinyl top's original, so it's got some little cuts here. A couple little bubbles right here, bubbles right there. Over the top, and this part is excellent. Just a little bit by that back window area.
Between the trunk, original quarters, rust-free trunk floor, and that's
Here's
all.
where it kind of shows. Yeah, it's all original there, original rubber. Trunk
But that's
is perfect,
yeah,
man.
that's impressive.
If you look underneath the car, it's crazy.
That's what kind of sold me, and then I think sold you on the originalities when you look at the undercarriage.
Oh yeah, original spare. Open up the corner of the doors, excellent right here. Jam is good. Original rubber here too, but it's still pliable. Check that out. That's kind of what tells me, you know what I mean? It's possible 19, not 119, because it's original. It's got a little tiny crack in there. Door panel is, like I said, pristine. It really is. The wood grain is too. What do we got going on with the glove box lock? Do you know, D?
I think we ordered one.
Okay, all right, just checking. Dash pad is perfect.
Hey, look at the pedals too. That's where a lot of guys will look. You know, 119 or 19. You tell me looking at the pedals.
It's got a little wear on the brake pedal, but it's nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
Seat covers are excellent. Dome light cover as well has been ordered. It's missing that. Lights in the back all work. Package tray is excellent. Back door panels are beautiful. Stack seat, perfect. So is the front seat. It's got the front and back seat belts. Just a good looking car. I mean, you can jump in this and drive it cross country.
Drive it all the way back to Walla Walla, Washington.
Walla Walla?
Yep.
As we go through the back here, a couple, like I said, there's some little scuffs and stuff on that bumper. Back quarter panel's good. Just a few little rock chips that have been touched up. Over the wheel well, it's great. Again, just some chips. Bottom corner of the door is great. Top of the rocker panel is excellent. The only, besides that little back spot around that vinyl top, the only rust in it, the whole car is right here. And it's all rust free right there. It just needs a little patch right in that bottom half there. And again, check out the undercarriage. See that? It's super dry. Paint chips there. Little bare metal right here where the paint is chipped. Also, one tiny little crack on the armrest right there. Other than that, the wood grain on the door panel and even the carpet on it's excellent. A couple cracks in the steering wheel. Seat's perfect. Even as a steering wheel, we talk about a couple of cracks here, but it's not sticky. It's nice and clean. Mm-hmm. Even this part is excellent.
How about this?
Does the AM side work too? Heck yeah. AM FM radio. Again, it shows 19,187. You know, you never know. Wipers, gas gauge work.
That worked. At least it did before.
It's not now, D-Bird.
What the? Interesting. Might have blown a fuse or something.
I think it did.
Because I know it worked when first 2 times I tried it.
So the defroster fan isn't working right now. It was a factory air car. Air is complete under the hood, but it's not working.
Yep, missing the belt.
No belt on it, which usually tells me that
maybe it
needs a little TLC on the air.
Windows go up really smooth.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Nice. I'm excited to drive it. You were pretty impressed by it, weren't you?
Yeah, I liked it. It just drove like an original car. You know, just quiet. You know, stock exhaust.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, transmission shift's great. Here's your brakes. Power disc.
That little school bus lady was driving really fast coming around that corner.
Yeah, brakes are in great shape. What a nice quiet car.
It is, yeah, it's just good.
Shift's good, about 55 mile an hour in the third. Now your fan's working, D. Yep.
Yeah, I think I can hear it.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, blew some stuff out.
Maybe she just needed a little bump.
That's all she needed. Shut it off.
Just a good driving car.
Yeah, it drives perfect. And And the tires, you know, don't need to be tires are perfect on it too. They don't need any ballast or nothing. You know, there's no vibration at 70. It's a really, really clean car. Yeah, not a powerhouse, just a 350 two-barrel. I'm guessing it's a two-barrel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it doesn't miss a beat, does it?
And the tires might be a little older, but there's no flat spots or nothing like that.
No, nothing. That's what I was trying to say till
Yeah.
the main part.
Yeah,
Sorry.
you're right. Yeah, you hear that?
Holy smokes!
The old 350 rocket winding up.
It chirped the tires go in second.
Yeah, she ain't no slouch, no Walla.
Just like, what do you call it?
Walla.
Walla.
Yep.
I'm going to try to do that one more time just for the simple fact that
Just to
there
prove that it
again,
can do it twice.
Yeah, I can believe that. Now it almost felt like a 4-barrel, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe the old Walla squeal tires.
Yeah, she's a good one. Wow. Yeah, nice shift. Yeah,
Wow.
she's ready to rear and tear.
I like that, rear and tear.
I made that up. She's ready to go. Check her out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. And like Chad said, if you're from Walla Walla, Washington, leave a comment. You might have a surprise. But you got to prove you're from Walla Walla.
85 mile an hour, just like that. 90. That's how nice this car goes down the road.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
It is. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.